Hey guys, good morning. I just saw some ships or boats, whatever you want to call them, and they're all in the ocean right now in La Jolla, by the La Jolla Cove, and it's pretty interesting. So I thought I would stop and check them out. So yeah, here they are, guys. Here's all the ships, or boats. I'm sorry. And what they're doing is gathering shrimp. And I believe I was told by a few other people that they're gathering squid as well. I'm pretty sure it's just shrimp though, because I believe those look like shrimp boats, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I just thought it would be interesting to film this. I haven't seen it on the news, I don't know why. So yeah, I thought, you know, it'd be pretty interesting. There's even a little canoe over there, all by himself. He's getting it though, dude. Anyways, guys, Mother Nature, you gotta love it, right? Pretty cool. There's some of the waves over here in La Jolla, and yeah, guys. Oh, look at that water, dripping.
I know.
Hey, buddy.
Brother, look over here.
Buddy. Hey. He's like, who is this? Hey guys, I just saw this video. I just wanted you guys to check it out because it's pretty interesting. It's a controlled hover test in NASA, and here, I'll just show you instead of talking about it.
Temperatures are within limits. First sequence ongoing. GNCB nav stage is aligning. GNCB is nav ready. Countdown. 2, 1, nominal. Vehicle descending. Vehicle is hovering. FET 15. FET 20. Altitude about 2 meters. FET 25. Altitude 2 meters. Lateral is good. FET 30. FET 35. Vehicle descending. Vehicle is landing.
I don't know, call me a nerd, but I'm always into stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave a link down below, so if you guys want to see it, you guys can check it out. You know what, this vlog is kind of short, I know. I lost a lot of footage, and I just had to come up with something, and I promised you guys I was gonna have a vlog up by Monday. So I apologize if the vlog is kind of short and kind of boring. You know, I didn't mean to delete the footage off my camera, but I did. So next video, I promise, will be 10 times better. And yeah, so as for now, I'm out. I gotta take a shower because I look kind of dirty right now. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.